I don't care what you're selling online. The bottom line is, if you're looking to increase your sales, you constantly need to be increasing new customer acquisition, average order value, and customer lifetime value. Today, I'm gonna walk you through 5 strategies on how to increase average order value on your site. And I'm gonna do it in under 5 minutes. If you're new around here, my name is Josh Deschel, and I'm a fractional CMO that helps dozens of brands to generate millions in dollars in sales online. Every single Monday, I release a 5-minute video that walks you through one of the 300 plus strategies that I use every single day. So the question is, will you trade 5 minutes for millions of dollars in sales? Let's find out. The single best way to increase average order value on your site is by upselling. And put simply, you can do this on your product page, in your cart, or even in the post-purchase checkout. It doesn't really matter. All you really want to do is ensure that anybody that makes a purchase on your site, you're upselling them on other products that you sell. Did you know 42% of consumers will spend more than the value of a gift card? Introducing gift cards on your store is a great way to ensure that not only customers come directly to your store, but they actually end up spending more than the value of the gift card. What's more, 51% of customers leave extra value on their gift cards. They never actually spend it. And to you, this is going to be breakage revenue, aka free money. So gift cards are a great way to not only increase average order value, but increase revenue overall. Based on experience, if you're a successful brand online, you have best-selling items. And the best thing you can do is introduce complementary products. These products are going to be something that you can upsell your customers on based on whatever your best-selling product is. For instance, if you're selling sneakers, you can create complementary products such as socks or shoelaces. The bottom line is, whatever your best-selling product is, try to come up with a complementary product that you can upsell your customers on. This is the best way you can increase average order value on your site. Did you know 69% of consumers pick a retailer based on where they can get rewards points? Rewards or loyalty programs are a great way to not only ensure that customers keep coming back to your site, but that they actually end up spending more money. The basics are, you want to give customers a certain amount of points for every dollar spent. Customers are going to want to spend more money to increase the amount of rewards they get. And best part is, you'll keep them coming back to your site. So again, loyalty and rewards programs are a great way to increase average order value. What happens when a new customer comes to your site and makes a purchase? How many emails do they get? How many SMSs do they get? What about a customer that buys from you regularly and then just stops? How do you treat them? Well, customer automations and tagging are hugely important for increasing average order value. You want to be sure that you're treating customers differently based on the actions or inactions that they take on your site. The best part is this is set up and it happens automatically. Once you set up the tagging and the automations, all you have to do is sit back and let those sales keep coming back in, increasing average order value and increasing your sales overall. And that's it. Those are the 5 strategies that I recommend you implement to increase average order value on your site. I highly encourage you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss next week's video. I'll see you then.